Welcome to San Vicente, Palawan!
In the morning I wake, another beautiful day. I finally figured the recipe. A bit of giving and taking, life it is what you make it. Nothing petty can get to me. A little bit of slow, a little bit of go, a little bit of high, a little bit of low. Ooh, live for the moment. Ooh, live for the time. Ooh, live for the moment. Now you get to
Star shines beyond numbers!
Hey everyone, I'm Jomar Heli, President of San Pablo Chapter. We are here today to dive into the sea of memories and accomplishments with these amazing individuals who have made this journey possible. Our theme today, Beach Vibe all the way. But wait, before we jump into the waves of nostalgia, let's meet the incredible PICPA Southern Tagalog region. From Mr. Jerry Barcelona, our Senior Regional Director, to the vibrant chapter presidents. Each one has played a pivotal role in shaping this unforgettable journey.
Good day to everyone. Ako si Jerry Barcelona, Senior Regional Director ng PICPA Star for 2023-2024. Looking back sa first council meeting namin ng Star Region, inisip ko na kung ano yung maging end result, kung ano yung aming samahan ng first council meeting, yun din ang aking pinaka-ending ng aking council meeting. Fast forward 11 months, puno kami ng pagsasama at kasiyahan, marami kaming accomplishments. Marami akong dapat pagpasalamat sa PICPA, marami akong na-discover sa sarili ko, marami rin akong naging kaibigan, marami akong napuntahang lugar dahil lang sa PICPA. At this point, nagpapasalamat ako sa mga chapter presidents ng STAR. Thank you for taking the responsibility. Thank you also for keeping up with me. Salamat sa inyong pakikasama. Mamimiss ko kung katrabaho kayo sa PICPA. Salamat din sa nagbigay ng opportunity na maging Senior Regional Director ng STAR. Nagtiwala kayo sa akin sa posisyon na ito. Thank you.
Indeed, our theme Beyond Numbers has guided us to transcend from mere calculations to holistic professionals and embrace the broader impact of our profession. PICPA has honed me to be the leader that I am today and gave me the opportunity to bond with other professionals in the profession. So I'm very thankful to our organization because through this year of being part of PICPA and leading the organization, I was able to enjoy this journey with my co-leaders, with the other chapter presidents. So thank you so much, PICPA.
Hello everyone, I'm Imelda Paclibar, ex-officio of Southern Tagalog Region and the past president of PICPA Laguna Chapter. As an ex-officio, I have witnessed and still witnessing the dedication of our members in Southern Tagalog Region. Ang ating mga presidente at ang members ay talagang masigasig sila at sila ay dedicated sa sa commitment in being the president, the members and every activities, seminar, webinar, or kung saan mang pwedeng umattend, they are willing and able, always willing and able. That's the good impression, or that's the good attitude of Southern Tagalog Region members.
I started my journey in PICPA in 2007 when I became the regional director of representing Southern Tagalog region. Since then, I had been involved in many activities and projects. In Southern Tagalog, for 17 years, I was always there, serving in various capacities, a membership chair, advisor, and right now, I am the Regional Executive Secretary. Believe me, doing those things are no joke. And through the years, I have gained new friends. My journey has ended, and a new chapter shall begin. This council that I am helping right now is a very good one. They brought me tears, they brought me joy, and I really couldn't believe the friendship that I had experienced with them. Thank you, SRD Jerry, for giving me the chance. Thank you, everyone, for the friendship. Thank you for your thoughtfulness. I always believe that our friendship will go a long, long way. I felt PICPA Southern Tagalog loves me, and I love you more. Thank you, everyone. I will see you in our next journey.
Good day, everyone. I'm Mildred Velasco, your Regional Secretary of Southern Tagalog Region. As a Regional Secretary, I have had the pleasure of working alongside of some of the most dedicated and passionate individuals I have ever met. Today, as we celebrate the achievements of our graduates, I am filled with a sense of pride and accomplishment. Each one of us has shown remarkable courage and determination in pursuit of your goals, and that courage is truly inspiring. And itong batch talagang ito, yung batch na makukulit, meron tayong mga PICPA Inom, which is normal naman talaga na meron din yan sa mga chapter, pero dito talaga sa region, meron din. And meron din tayo mga kulitan portion na bigla ang outing. Biglang malalaman mo, ibubukan ka agad. Yan. And then, yung makaisay-sayang 1, 2, 3 pass. Yan, na dyan yan, Pangulo dyan si Jomar at si Presye. And hindi dyan nahuhuli, si Sir Robert. So, asahan po natin na tuloy-tuloy ang ating support sa PICPA. And thank you very much sa inyong mga achievements, sa inyong dedication, and inyong mga supports.
Hi, everyone. I'm Mina Danga, Regional Treasurer, PICPA Southern Tagalog Region, from Quezon Province Chapter. As a Regional Treasurer, hindi naman naging mahirap para sa akin yung aking position. At salamat, Miss Mildred, sa pag-assist mo sa akin. Thank you sa lahat ng mga kasamahan ko sa council. Super babait nila, joker. At the same time, masasarap din silang kasama. Thank you, Sir Robert, during our pajama party sa Rizal. Nag-enjoy ako at lahat kami. Hindi ko ini-expect na maganda yung magiging outcome ng ating party. To Ma'am Edna, Ma'am Amy, Ma'am Ana, sa lahat, salamat sa inyo.
Ako si Rene J.M. Paclibar, ang Compliance Officer ng PICPA Southern Tagalog Region, STAR. Ako din ay dating presidente ng PICPA Laguna. Pinakamasaya talagang nangyari yung buong term na ito is yung PICPA Annual National Convention. Una nun, nagbiyahe ako ng Sorsogon, syempre gampanan ng aking tungkulin as officer ng region, saka yung past president ng PICPA Laguna. Then, lumaban ako as sa team competition ng Mobile Legends as participant ng region. At nakilahok din sa awarding as most outstanding chapter president. Maraming salamat. PICPA Southern Tagalog Region, PICPA Laguna, at syempre sa mga ka-officers ko sa PICPA STAR, officers ko sa PICPA Laguna, at sa mga aming mga members. Maraming salamat.
Ako si Annabel Pastrana Ong, isang dating Regional Director ng Southern Tagalog Region. at kasalukuyan nag-advisor din ang STAR Council. As an advisor, I guide them to the procedures of conducting a conference and teach them some protocols, learnings from my experience as a past regional director. I would like to thank PICPA as our professional organization for keeping us united from Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. And as for us, member of the Southern Tagalog region, we are very much proud to be part of it. And we will encourage every member of PICPA to join their regions and chapters to experience the wonderful journey of being a CPA in this country. Thank you, PICPA Rizal.
Hi, I'm Victoria Vicky Logdat. I am the RSR for Public Practice and I am from Mindoro chapter. So I am here, nag-enjoy ako with our group and maraming naging advantage sa akin ang pagiging PICPANS. Maraming naging bagong kaibigan, maraming mga masasayang memories, and at the same time nakakapag-serve tayo sa mga iba't ibang sektor ng lipunan, like mga clients natin, mga kaibigan, and also mga other PICPANS din. Mas masaya sa PICPANS na lagi nating sinasabi, for the love of PICPA. Maraming bagay ang sana magpatuloy tayo kahit na tapos na yung ating term, and good luck sa bagong term. And thank you very much sa ating SRD, Sir Jerry, sa napakagandang term niya at napakasaya. And thank you very much guys sa lahat ng chapter presidents and all the officers of PICPA Southern Tagalog Region.
Good day. I'm Attorney Philip Ray L. Nangkil, Regional Sectoral Representative of Southern Tagalog Region in Commerce and Industry. And isa lang ang masasabi kong hindi ko nagustuhan na nangyari sa PICPA, sa buong PICPA life ko. Iyon ay yung huling pagsali ko at bilang huling pagiging active na PICPAN member. Kasi kung pagkapasa ko pa lang ay naging active na ako na PICPA member, ay lahat ng mga na-experience ng PICPANS, ng mga officers, lahat ng mga magandang nasabi nila, masasabi nila, na-experience nila, ay malamang magagawa ko at may experience ko bilang isang PICPAN member at isang officer. Salamat sa term ko, salamat sa naging SRD ko, salamat sa naging JRD ko, salamat sa mga nakasama kong officers sa term ko ng 2023 to 2024 bilang presidente ng PICPA Palawan.
I'm Attorney John Arvin B. Achi, RSR of PICPA STAR, working in government. Thank you PICPA. Because of PICPA, I go beyond numbers. Marami akong narating na iba't ibang parts ng Pilipinas. Because of that, I enjoy being officer of PICPA. In PICPA, in this year's team, we go beyond numbers. Different activities ang ginawa namin, like pajama party. This is new, a photo shoot to advocate the graduation of the officers of PICPA STAR. Thank you sa mga fellow PICPA officers because pinanatili natin ang magandang samahan para mas maipakita natin na nagkakaisa ang PICPA, hindi lang sa pag-compute ng iba't ibang numbers, but sa paggagawa ng activities para makatulong sa mga bawat membro ng PICPA. Ika nga, we go beyond numbers. Thank you, PICPA!
Now, let's hear from our incredible chapter presidents as they share the reflection and the impact of PICPA on their respective regions.
Good day, I am Cheryl Bibool, President of PICPA Batangas Chapter. Together with the rest of the officers of PICPA Batangas, we're very happy to serve the whole chapter. Kahit busy kami sa kanya-kanyang work, we see to it na lahat ng projects and activities are properly and successfully implemented. I am also very fortunate to be part of PICPA STAR syempre under the leadership of SRD, Direct Cherry Barcelona. Sa PICPA Star, nandun yung pakiramdam na lagi kang belong and nagtutulungan ang bawat isa para same level lagi ang lahat ng chapters. Sa PICPA Star, nandun lagi yung pakiramdam na belong ka and nagtutulungan ang lahat to see to it na pantay-pantay ang lahat ng chapters. And syempre, ang key is lagi kaming may bonding, biglaang bonding para mas maging closer kami sa bawat isa. Thank you for giving me an opportunity to be part of PICPA Star, and congratulations to all of us for a very successful year. Thank you.
So good day everyone. I am Miss Camila May A. Cornico, a President of PICPA Cavite Chapter. I would like to welcome you aspiring officers. Mahirap maging officers, but then again, kailangan lang ng sipag and yung passion nyo. So, kailangan namin kayo, and I advise you na tatagan nyo lang yung loob nyo kasi all throughout the year, magkakasama kayo ng iba't ibang presidente, makikilala nyo at iba't ibang CPA. So, isa sa mga ma-experience nyo, bukod sa makakapasyal kayo sa iba't ibang provinces all throughout the Philippines, ay yung camaraderie. So, hindi lang isang officer ang pagiging role nyo dito, kundi yung pagiging family nyo. Andito yung mga biglaang yakag, and all of the pagkain. So, yun, marami ding inuman. Hindi lang puro trabaho tayo. So, na-enjoy natin yung pagiging officer, pagtulong sa ating members, and also, yung experience na hindi lang pala, at meron pa palang more than family all throughout the PICPA. So, yun lamang po.
I am Celia Mercado. I am the chapter president of Erie UPLB chapter for the fiscal year 2023-2024. Okay, first of all, I'd like to thank the members of the Erie UPLB chapters. Although we are few in numbers, but we were able to do some activities this fiscal year. It is not only that we have accomplished these things through the help of the STAR, but I also gained friends through the other chapter president and STAR Council. Though I am senior with them, I think I am the oldest in terms of age as a chapter president, but I didn't feel that I am older than them because they are very supportive, and the sincerity to help and to assist us was really felt by the chapter. So with that, I'd like to thank all of them.
Hello, I'm John Soltawat, and I'm the chapter president of PICPA Laguna. So to say that this year has been a roller coaster would be an understatement. Both physically, financially, mentally, lahat talaga ma-exhaust as the chapter president. But also, this is also the most rewarding year of my life so far, because of the amount of self-growth and development that I've experienced through PICPA. And also, I'm grateful about the unexpected gift of family, because going here, hindi ko in-expect na ganito yung samahan ng council and ng region, and surely yun yung pinaka-mamimiss ko about being a president. And at the same time, of course, this would not be possible without the help of the region. Salamat sa close monitoring sa aming mga chapter president and sa collaborations and ensuring na everyone ay aangat at walang maiiwan. So, thank you PICPA Star, and thank you PICPA for this opportunity that I will never forget.
Hi, I'm Dr. Lalaine Manalo, outgoing president of PICPA Lipa chapter. I would like to begin by saying that it has been a great privilege for me to have been given the opportunity to be part of this council. Looking back on the past 12 months, I must say that it has been an exceptionally busy year. We have had to deal with a rapid succession of important events, seminars, conferences here and there, at the same time trying to balance our responsibilities at home and at work. For me, personally, it has been a most eventful period throughout, at times challenging, but overall, a most rewarding experience. I'm sending my heartfelt thanks to everyone. My main personal goal as chapter president was for us all to have fun together while supporting the things that matter to our members. Well, I think we came pretty close. This year's theme is indeed true. We CPAs are beyond numbers. Congratulations, everyone. God bless us all.
Hi, I'm Rika from PICPA Occidental Mindoro chapter. I would like to thank everyone who supported me during my term as president, and also the PICPA Star Council presidents who have become my friends, and you have all become part of a wonderful journey for me. And I hope for those who would want to become PICPA presidents too would also have the same experience as us. It's joyful and memorable. Thank you!
Hello, hi. Ako si Roderick Logdat. Just call me Eric. And ako ang chapter president ng Oriental Mindoro for fiscal year 2023 to 2024. So ayun, malapit na matapos. Well, napakaganda ng experience ko bilang chapter president. Naging memorable dahil ang dami kong nakilala, na naging kaibigan, several people from various locations o areas sa buong sa Star Region at buong national na rin sa profession ko bilang CPA. Maraming salamat sa pagtitiwala, lalo na ng aking chapter. At ako ay nilagay niyo sa posisyong ito at isang privilege bilang para maglingkod sa inyong lahat. So, I hope na magpatuloy ito sa mga susunod pa na mga panahon, magpatuloy maganda nating samahan sa ating chapter at sa buong region. Ayun, maraming salamat po sa inyo lahat.
Hello PICPA Star! Ako po pala si Attorney Jenad Valones, ang presidente po ng PICPA Palawan Chapter. Ang masasabi ko lang po sa aking term bilang presidente po ng PICPA Palawan Chapter ay sobrang nag-enjoy po ako sa isang taon po na pagsiservisyo sa PICPA Palawan at sa PICPA Star. Masasabi ko marami po akong nagawa para sa aming chapter. Ang isa pong hindi ko makakalimutan na experience po sa PICPA Palawan ay ang pagsiservisyo po dito sa mga tao sa San Vicente, Palawan, na kung saan ay kami po ay nagbigay ng dental service. Nagbigay po kami ng mga food packages, libreng tuli, libreng punot ng ngipin, na kung saan po ay ito'y malaking tulong po sa mga mamamayan po ng San Vicente, Palawan. Gusto ko magpasalamat siyempre sa mga past director na hindi sila nagsawang tumulong o magbigay ng kanilang oras at presensya para mabigyan kami ng direksyon upang mas maging madali ang aming pagtatrabaho. At sana po ang mga susunod pong mga officers ay mag-enjoy din sa kanilang pagsiservisyo.
Hi, I'm Bernadette Hao and I'm the chapter president of Quezon Province Chapter. And dito sa Star Council, during my presidency, ang chapter namin is we have focused sa professional development. So, hindi naman sa pagmamayabang, talaga lang, di ba? So, ang naman po namin sa Quezon is we try our best na mag-give ng more webinars and usually mga package para mas mura para sa ating mga CPAs. So, webinars and seminars. So, pero mostly nakapag-focus kami sa webinars para mas makapag-reach kami ng mas maraming chapters o maraming attendees. Maraming salamat sa members and officers ng Quezon Chapter and of course sa Star Council, Star Southern Tagalog Region sa inyong suporta sa Quezon Province Chapter. Thank you!
Good afternoon, good day everyone. My name is Robert Arellano, Pangulo ng Rizal Chapter at nandito ngayon tayo sa graduation at malaki ang pasasalamat ko sa PICPA Rizal pagpili sa akin bilang Pangulo nila sa ngayong fiscal year 23-24 at ngayon mukhang nagampanan naman natin ng maayos yung tungkulin natin bilang presidente. At isa sa mga magandang natutunan ko dito is na maximize at nailabas yung talent ko bilang leader ng chapter. Hindi lang sa chapter, naipakita din natin sa Southern Tagalog Region. Nakisama din tayo sa kanila, tinuruan din tayo yung saya, yung camaraderie, leadership, hindi lang technical, yung experience na gusto nilang yung gusto ko din, syempre, na marating, personal improvement, lahat yan. So again, congratulations sa ating lahat at good luck din sa mga darating na presidente. Enjoyin nyo lang yung pagiging chapter nyo. Yun lang, thank you.
Hey, it's me, Jomar Heli from PICPA San Pablo City Chapter. Hindi ko taga alam kung ano yung share ko sa inyo, but then let me share a glimpse of the story I have as the president of this chapter. So, funny story, hindi naman talaga dapat ako yung president-elect last year. Wala talaga ako sa option na pinamimilian. But then, kailangan ko maging officer kasi lahat kayo magkakabarkada, kailangan magkameron ng posisyon last year. So yun, nag-volunteer na lang ako na maging president-elect. And then, ayun, after nun, sobrang daming opportunity na nag-open. So yun, thank you sa board ko una, no, sa council ko sa San Pablo Chapter kasi andyan sila, handang tumulong. Dati, president lang yung lahat ay gumagawa ngayon. Parang wala na ako ginagawa kasi nagvo-volunteer sila and kung ano yung position nila, ginagamparan talaga nila. Siyempre sa Star Council, sa Star Family, thank you so much. Hindi ko alam kung paano ay masasalamatan, but then, yung relationship na na-build natin within the span of 1 year, hindi ko alam kung ano yung word na gagamitin, but then, thank you kasi mas naging alive and maganda yung federation na to kasi dahil sa inyo. Thank you. Wow! What a powerful and inspiring messages from our local chapter presidents. Each one of them shows tremendous leadership and dedication in advancing the profession of accounting. As we continue our beach team graduation celebration, let us carry their words of wisdom as we embark to the next chapter of our journey. Stay tuned for more heartfelt moments and uplifting story on this special day. Thanks for joining us on this unforgettable journey. Remember, no matter where life takes you, always strive to go beyond numbers and redefine what it means to be a CPA. Until next time, PICPA Star will keep shining bright.
PICPA Star shines beyond numbers! Woo!